here? Discuss your backflip.
It was upside down for a lot of it.
All right, everybody, we're trying something new here. We just got back from Zinc Invitational 2026. About to get the bikes cleaned up. We're stoked to be a part of that event again this year and had a ton of fun riding mountain bikes with everybody and ripping motos. Obviously, motos are our favorite part. You guys know that, so that's the reason why we do it. But it's very unique in that there's not a ton of events out there where it's moto and mountain bike. So we're always stoked to bridge the gap, and you know, everything on two wheels is fun for us. So yeah, pumped on that and put together a little vlog for you guys. So check it out.
Yeah! Perfect. I rode one on the track. Dude, my suspension is so soft.
On that bike?
That shit like bottomed out there.
Yeah.
But they were fun though. I gotta like, no sound, you creep up on people and they just start cutting over, you're like, it kind of makes me scared to hit the 75.
Oh, it's easier.
Was it? Yes, sir.
Dude, I had such a hard time with this thing, gauging speed.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when
So
other people
weird,
are like, oh,
dude.
you just do this in second.
Like riding a ramp is different every time.
Crazy.
I'm really glad to hear you say it because I always feel like a wuss when I say it.
Huh?
I'm glad to hear you say it because I always feel like a wuss when I say it. I'm like, it's just me, dude. I'm just a wuss. I don't know. Everyone does just fine. I don't know. It looks sick though.
Have you not jumped all the way over?
What's that?
Have you not jumped all the way over?
I haven't yet.
Go like second gear, it's still 65 feet.
Okay.
They go pretty good on it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we went pretty good that time.
Sick.
Sick.
Yeah.
Dude.
You don't notice it being a headbanger, but your neck might hurt after riding it for a while.
Yeah. You're like, wait, what happened? Oh yeah, the ramp. That's right. Glamis, dude.
That's why I went, because it splits off between the two, and I went left, went down that way, and I was like, oh, this was not the way I should have.
That's the way I went. I was like, this is kind of gnarly.
Yeah, that's not the same thing.
Yeah, let's go right this time. Whoa! Dude, that's pretty good. Way better, huh? Yeah, dude. You. Oh. Oh boy, I can't see. Yes.